Alright, so this is the layers. We have to continue to the shading. So before I start, I think there's something I need to emphasize. Okay, the outline that we have is actually quite good. Yeah, we have like 50%, right? If we make it 100, of course, it's already been very nice. But you know what? We try not to use all of it. I want you to learn to do some shading in Photoshop. Okay, so we are using this as guidelines. That's why we first thing, remember, lower the opacity of the value so we can actually see underneath it at 50. Okay, then we lock and then we go to the shading. This is how we start. Okay, yeah, and now we can whenever we need to do some more details on certain part, we can just use dropper tools on the color that we want, and it's easier that way. And maybe make it a bit darker if we feel like we need to, or maybe we just select this one in here and then make it dark. Okay, make sure before we start we hit the control button and click on the thumbnail to select everything. So we won't be painting here, we just paint this area. Okay, now we go a bit deeper, yeah, and then you can lower the brush a bit smaller. It depends, yeah. So sometimes the size of the brush does matters, yeah. See? Yeah. My brush is actually going through, following the line. Now, do you know why the upper teeth is darker?
Because the bottom teeth will get more sunlight.
Yes.
It goes, yeah.
Yeah, very good. Because the bottom teeth we have more sunlight, and the top bit is covered, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now I will make it a bit thicker because this is too bright, right? Which is fine. I want to blend it later with the white that we have. In here, I want to blend it again with here. So, to have it a bit thicker is not wrong. Right now, I'm using the 20% opacity. So, it's faster, see? 10% is a bit slower. Now, the brush is ready. Now, I'm going to start to do some blending. Yeah, before there's a lot of interference. Now, we can start cleaning up the one that we just made. See? So, all the lines that we have, we can just, instead of using the dark one, choose the bright one in the middle. Then we fix this one. So, and then fix in here. See? It's trying to get nice again, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's the shortcut for the eyedropper again?
When you are in the brush set, press the Alt button. Now, okay. Yes! You're starting to think like a pro. Hey, did you turn off the outline? Oh, for now, yeah? Okay. Okay. Just want to check. Can you lower the opacity first of the outline?
And this one?
Yeah. Okay. Just one of it. Choose one, and then turn on the opacity. There you go. To 50 lah, 50 or 40. Yeah. Now this one you can turn it on. Just leave it on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can use this for guidance.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay. Zoom out a bit. I want to see the mouth and the eyes. Okay, a bit to the right. Centered. Make it centered in the Photoshop. Okay, Cesca. Now I want to share screen. Can you see mine? Yeah. Okay. So now you observe in here, only in this part. Yeah. What do you think? I give you a clue. There's something that's a bit dark that needs to be lightened. Which one is it?
That part of the eye, like the one.
Which one?
That one that you're doing, the one that you're
yeah.
putting your cursor over.
Yeah, I know. It's like, okay, it's considered cheating, but it's okay. So we do this, yeah, in between, yeah. Make it a bit lighter, right? Like, look, make sure like me. My brush size is not bigger than the area we're going. My brushes have to be smaller. See? Yeah. Then we fix something in here a bit. Brush size is a bit smaller. As it goes in here, you can make it a bit bigger like this. So, much nicer, right? A bit more. Okay. See? Let me show you before and after. Okay.